Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are connected with I am Shah Hassan. So guys, let's start. Today I am introducing a very special thing, which is the latest version of MacBook Pro, which have 8-core processor and 15-inch display, and it is improved version of an improved model of the latest MacBook Pro. It has 4K display as well as and 2 TB hard disk, improved speed, improved quality, and improved display up to 5K introduced in this MacBook Pro version, and 4.7 GHz processor and 8 cores and many more other improved features. I think it's the world best MacBook Pro. It has GPU as well and Mac OS technology, and many other Adobe and Microsoft technologies are also introduced in this MacBook Pro, which has price about $1,800 to $2,399. Hope guys you find it something extraordinary from MacBook from Apple, and it is also will be available in 13-inch, and you can see this on official Microsoft page apple.com Mac. You can download all images from the link given in the description box of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this information or find it useful, hit on subscribe button of my YouTube channel and stay connected with me. Thanks for watching. So please spread this video to all of your friends.